Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys a trick that I've learned with cat. What's this cat's name? Put Squeak off of Color Purple. This is Squeak off of Color Purple. You see how Squeak is acting? Ow! You Squeak, see like how Squeak is acting like a bat out of hell? Ow! But look, when I hold her like this, nothing. You know, this is how their mothers hold them in the wild. But look, she draws up her legs and her tail, and she stops scratching. I have like blood and stuff from this cat. But when I hold her like that, she might be upset, but she's not scratching me. And she's breathing fine. She don't have no problem breathing. She's fine. But look when I let go. Oh, now she doesn't want to do it. Okay, here she goes. Ow! She is scratching the crap out of me. So, people, this ow, ow, ow. When you wanna hold your cat without being mauled, this is the way to do it. This is how nature intended. Thank you very much.